change the schedule to 8:30.
Okay.
Good.
Yeah, continue, Chairman. Yes.
Good, guys. So we have seen the hydrocarbon part. And
I
for
think
refined
oil at low pressure, you can refer to above. Don't say not applicable, refer to
refer
above.
say 1.6. Refer 1.6 hydrocarbon.
Okay. It's okay. Refer 1.6. It's fine.
Yeah.
No need to mention.
Correct. Very good.
Yeah.
Good. For refined hydrocarbon, it's not applicable. Other flammable material is not applicable here. Are you going to replace any battery or any battery bank here? Sudeep,
I
any
don't
battery
think
bank?
so.
No.
No. Explosive material, this is not applicable for our project. Pressure hazard, none is applicable because we are not replacing anything. Hazard at height. So guys, Sudeep, I want to know that, are you going to make some platform, some elevation, something in this project? No.
No.
Chairman, let's hear from Santosh. Santosh, because of relocation of wells, are we changing their